Hi my friends, this is Tina. Welcome to ADT channel. Follow me, I will show you guys something. Here is a DLP ceramic 3D printer. It uses advanced DLP technology to curate ceramic saris layer by layer. As you can see here, it can achieve micro-level resolution and perfect surface finish. You can see the printing process in action, smooth, stable, and precise. Each layer is cured under UV light, ensuring excellent dimensional accuracy and uniformity. These are some of our printing samples. From alumina and zirconia to silicon carbide and silica, floral structures, dental models, and complex functional ceramics, all created with ADT's precision. As you can see, here are many exquisite handicrafts with beautiful colors. Follow us to explore more innovation.